In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Notion app on your Mac, a process that should take you just about 5 minutes from start to finish. Notion is a powerful tool that's perfect for organizing your work, managing projects, or simply keeping track of your personal tasks. Let's jump right in and get you set up. First, we need to head over to Notion's official website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Notion website address, or simply searching for Notion in your search engine. Once you're on the website, you'll notice a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you explore its many features like workspaces, wikis, docs, and projects. Once on the home page, the next step is to log in. If you already have a Notion account, find the Login button, which is typically at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Enter your login information to access your existing account. In case you don't have an account yet, no worries. You can sign up quickly by clicking Sign Up and following the on-screen instructions to create a new account. It's straightforward and only takes a couple of minutes to finish. After logging in, you'll be directed to what's often referred to as your Notion home. This is your personal workspace hub where you can access all your notes, projects, and shared documents. It's your launching pad for everything you'll be doing in Notion. Now that we're in, the next thing we want to do is download the desktop version of Notion to your Mac. Look for a section on your homepage or navigation options that mentions downloading the app for desktop. It might say something like, "Download Notion for desktop." So keep an eye out for that. When you find it, click on it to start the download process. Downloading might take a few moments depending on your internet connection, so be patient. It's totally worth the wait because having the app on your Mac provides you with quick and convenient access every time you turn on your computer. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your Downloads folder, which can easily be accessed through your Finder window. Open the downloaded file to begin the installation process for Notion. Simply follow the on-screen instructions, dragging the Notion app into your Applications folder when prompted. This will install it onto your Mac, and from here, you're all set. Congratulations, you've successfully installed the Notion app on your Mac. Feel free to open it from your Applications folder or Launchpad. Log in, and start exploring all the functionalities that Notion has to offer. Whether you're managing your personal tasks or coordinating team projects, Notion will surely enhance your productivity. Happy organizing!